Ever feel like your smile just isn't bright enough? Like no matter how much you brush, those stubborn yellow stains just won't go away? Over-the-counter products can be a hassle and often don't deliver the results you want. And if you're looking for the natural way to brighten your teeth, this simple home remedy not only help you remove yellow teeth but also help with dental plaque and cavities. First, let's understand what causes yellow teeth. Yellow teeth can happen for a bunch of reasons. If you don't brush and floss regularly, plaque builds up and makes your teeth look yellow. Drinking a lot of coffee, tea, red wine, or soda can stain your teeth too. Smoking is a big culprit for yellow teeth as well. As we get older, the enamel on our teeth wears down, showing the yellow dentin underneath. Eating a lot of acidic foods or having acid reflux can wear down your enamel, making your teeth look yellow. Additionally, drinking lemon water or apple cider vinegar water without using a straw can also contribute to yellowing teeth. If you've already addressed these causes, you can start using this home remedy that I'm going to show you, and the best part is it has no side effects. Compared to baking soda, citrus fruits, and other natural whiteners, banana peels are much less abrasive. This means they're less likely to erode enamel, making them a gentler option for your teeth. So, you will need the ripe banana peel. Cut into smaller pieces that easier for you to hold it. Use the inner side of the peel, gently rub on your teeth for 2 minutes and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then brush your teeth afterward, so sugars won't be left behind to damage your enamel. Repeat daily for 2 to 3 weeks. After a few weeks, you should start to see some improvement. Don't forget to let us know your results. Your feedback can help others decide if they want to try this natural remedy too.